As you know, more than 70% of work in manufacturing molds is small cores. If you can manufacture this core job 2 or 3 times more than now, what will happen? The fusion technology of software and hardware NCBrain AICAM Cube make your dream come true. First of all, this is the current situation for manufacturing small cores. CAM designers need to make various kinds of toolpaths because of complexity. More than 15 NC data are needed, more than 1,000 mouse clicking. So bothering job to do, and it normally takes 1 to 2 hours for this job. Even this kind of job can be done by expert CAM designers only. The run rate for NC machine is 8 hours only every day. There are too many things to be taken care of for preparation, such as vice clamping, check the angle of parallel and vertical, input of coordinate measurement, preparation of tools and length compensation, and check NC data every time repeatedly. Because of all these difficult situations, it's so hard to manufacture even 2 units per day. Besides, another bothering issue is the tolerance of accuracy due to vice setting. Cutting with 5 axis is also difficult to use in reality because of high cost and complicated CAM process. The productivity is still low because of 1 unit per 1 time. Besides, there is a big limit with wire coating. As you have seen so far, complicated CAM process and low run rate is a big barrier in manufacturing. That's why AICAM Cube has been developed to solve all these problems. The AICAM Cube is automated by fusion technology of software and hardware. The automatic CAM job can be done by the recognition of exclusive, special GCAM tools. Let's check out the real application case with video. This is the moving core of 100 mm. Assembly process for model and jig. The automatic toolpath will be created by the recognition from CAM to jig. This is optimized toolpath. First, machining. Second, direction assembly. This is the video for toolpath and cutting. This is the third, direction assembly. Video for toolpath and cutting again. This is the cutting for slope hole with 3+1 axis. This is the assembly for 3+2 axis cutting. 5 axis job can be done with 3 axis by AICAM Cube. All the advanced work for cutting in directions such as parallel degree, input coordinate, and tool selling will be disappeared. The run rate will be maximized. That's why the electric discharge will be minimized. Parallel degree and setting for electrode cores will be disappeared by the exclusive jigs. The run rate for electric discharge will be maximized. Insert model into jig and clamp bolts. This is the special jig for multi-cutting simultaneously. Clamping for cutting direction. Finally, the productivity will be maximized. This is application of 5 slope cores. First, clamping and cutting. Second, clamp and cutting. Third, fourth, fifth, clamping and cutting. And finally, assembly for 6-angle cutting. As you see, 5 units of slope cores and the various hole cutting between 8 to 12. Including clamping, approximately 13 hour cutting makes this whole job done. Now, let's check out 3 core units with simultaneous cutting. Top direction of slide core. Venus front 3 plus to cutting. And back. Front of slide core. Side and the other side. Angular pin cutting. Drill and tapping will be the end. Now, let's see the NCBrain AICAM process. Open modeling and jig will be fixed. Turn the modeling and cutting direction. Extend the necessary part for first cutting. Register after cutting depth setting. Rotate to second cutting direction. Extend the part. Register after cutting depth setting. Third, extend and register. Fourth is also same process. And the fifth is set up for hole cutting direction. Choose the part for cutting and register. Start the total calculation. Now, let's check out optimization result after post. It takes 60 minutes with general and ordinary cams, but only takes 10 minutes with NCBrain AICAM. 2 engineers are needed for this job, cutting for 18 cores. Normally, it takes 6 to 9 working days depending on engineer's ability. However, with AICAM Cube, only 1 engineer is needed for this same job. 3 days shorter but even higher accuracy. The practical benefits by AICAM Cube. First, the current 30% run rate for NC machine can be changed into 90%. Thanks to automatic setting by special jig and 100% ADC. Second, the automated CAM process makes faster NC data creation. 60-minute job can be changed into 10 minutes. Thanks to cutting direction setting and automatic toolpad creation. Third, the electrode job will be minimized by 3 plus 2x cutting, and even this process can be connected to special jig electrode machine. The productivity will be increased. Even one NC machine with 1 person can produce more than 2 NC machine by 2 persons can. The machine with APC or AWC can produce 3 times more with unmanned machining, even on weekend holiday.